Starting in iOS 26, Apple added the option to make your lock screen clock nice and big like this. And here's how you can make yours bigger. Go to your lock screen and then just tap and hold it. It'll zoom out a bit, and on the bottom of your screen, you'll see an option to customize your lock screen. Once you're in the customizing menu, you can tap the clock to make changes to it. And the big thing here is that only the first font option allows you to make it nice and big. If you have any of the other fonts selected, you won't be able to change the size. Just the thickness, but nothing else. So, pick the first font. Then you can tap the clock and use the handle to drag it to your preferred size. The current iOS allows you to fill about 50% of your screen with the clock. And personally, I kinda dig the larger clock look. Depending on your wallpaper, you might get the depth effect where a part of the clock hides behind the wallpaper. Some people love it, some not so much. The little stack icon towards the left side of your screen allows you to toggle this feature on or off. I like to keep mine on, but your wallpaper plays a big role here. Sometimes it doesn't really work if the wallpaper doesn't have anything that could naturally be placed in front of the clock. So that's the lock screen clock. There's also a way to add a clock like this to your home screen. To add a clock widget like this, you'll tap and hold an empty space on your home screen and then tap Edit from the top right corner. Then you'll choose Add Widget and choose the type of widget you want. There's quite a bit to choose from, and for the clock alone, there's a bunch of different designs to choose from. Find what you like, tap Add a Widget, and to the home screen it goes. From there, you can tap, hold, and drag the widget to your preferred spot. If you want to edit the time zone or location, you can tap and hold and then edit the widget. And you're done! Enjoy that big clock, click the like button if this helped, and make sure to subscribe for more guides like this.